Hi students, in this video I will explain about one of the important name reaction is known as Rosenmund reduction. Here the Rosenmund reduction, it is used for the preparation of aldehyde by using of acyl chlorides. So now let us learn about what is here Rosenmund reduction. So here when acyl chlorides are heated with hydrogen in the presence of palladium as a catalyst, so supported over a barium sulfide, so barium sulfate, then the product it will get forms is known as aldehydes. So here we have to prepare the aldehydes by using of acyl chlorides. It must be treated with the hydrogen. In the presence of catalyst, we are going to taking here palladium and as well as barium sulfate. So now let us learn about how the reaction it is going to carry out. See here, first general reaction we should consider acyl chlorides. So RCOCl, this is acyl chlorides. It must be treated with the hydrogen, so H2. In the presence of catalyst, we are going to taking here palladium Pd over barium sulfate. The product we will get here aldehyde. So here we can see H2, that is H and H we are going to adding here, or we may take, this is called as a hydrogenation reaction also. See here, one of the hydrogen it must be combined with the Cl, then there will be formation of HCl. So remaining one H it is going to substituted in the place of Cl. The product we will get here RC double bond OH, that is RCHO. See here RCHO, this is a aldehyde, there is elimination of HCl. So we have obtained aldehyde as a product in the presence of catalyst, and the reactants we are going to taking here acyl chlorides. So this is like a general reaction. Now we should consider by taking of some examples. Now let us learn about that. See here, we are going to considering here acetyl chloride as a reactant. It must be heated with the hydrogen in the presence of palladium as a catalyst, supported over barium sulfide. The product it will get here acetaldehyde. See here acetyl chloride in the sense, here we should write reaction CH3COCl. For this we are going to taking here addition of H2 in the presence of palladium over barium sulfate as a catalyst. As a similar case we have already seen in a general reaction, we are replacing of Cl by H, then elimination of HCl. In that Cl place there is a substitution of H group. So here the product you will get here CH3 C double bond OH and releasing of HCl. See here, what is product here we have obtained now, that is called as acetaldehyde. This is called as acetaldehyde. There is elimination of HCl, and finally we have obtained aldehyde as a product. Similarly, another one reaction we can take as an example. Let us learn about that. So similarly we can take another important example. So as in similar case of earlier example, benzyl chloride is heated with the hydrogen in the presence of the palladium catalyst supported over a barium sulfate. So product it will get forms is known as on here benzyl. So here benzaldehyde is going to forms. So in the place of CH3, just we should replaceable of aromatic group, that is C6H5COCl. For this we are going to adding here hydrogen in the presence of palladium over barium sulfate as a catalyst. In the place of Cl there is a substitution of H, so C6H5CHO, this is called as benzaldehyde, and there is elimination of HCl molecule. So this is about the Rosenmund reduction. So it is a very important reaction. If you have any doubts, please comment and subscribe our channel. Thank you.